Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us how to restrict field level access control. So a lot of you have been asking me questions on how to restrict some users from either reading or writing to specific fields in SuiteCRM, given that SuiteCRM does not have that functionality built in. So I'll be showing us how to do that using plugins. So if you've not seen my video on how to install your plugin into your SuiteCRM, I'll link the video here, so you might want to go ahead to watch that video before you continue with this one. And in order for us to restrict field level access control to our users, you need to have your roles and then you need to have your users already created. So this video is also on the screen, so you can click on the link on the screen here and go ahead to watch that one before you continue with this. Without further ado guys, let's get right into this video. Let's go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you land on your home page, which is your dashboard. So let's go ahead to the admin section of our CRM. Click on admin. Okay, so we want to scroll all the way down to field level access control. So I had gone ahead to download the plugin, which is field level access control plugin from the SuiteCRM store. So I have the link in the description box. So you can click on the link in the description box to download yours. So if you see down here, I have mine already downloaded. I have it already installed in my CRM. So that is why we can see it down here. After installing this, you want to go ahead to configure your license configuration. I had already done mine as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. So you want to click on the field level access control. So here you can see that it works with roles. You see I already have 2 roles created, which is junior marketing team and senior marketing team. So you want to watch the video on how to create users and add them to roles in order for you to understand the role creation and then adding users to role. But I'll also go ahead and do that here, but I'll suggest that you watch that particular video so you gain more insight into how that is done, because I'll be a bit fast here. So let's go to our roles. So you have your role management. So I'm going to be making use of the junior marketing team and the senior marketing team. I want to place a restriction on the junior marketing team. So I'm making use of the opportunity module. If you look at the opportunity module here, I click on create opportunity. So let's go ahead to create opportunity. I want to give the junior marketing team only read access to the opportunity amount. I want them to be able to see the opportunity amount, but I don't want them to be able to change the opportunity amount. So I will go ahead and restrict them access to that. But before we do that, we want to add users to our role management, because I haven't added users, I just created the roles. So let's just go ahead and add users to these roles that have already been created. So go to the admin, click on role management, select that senior marketing team. For the senior marketing team, I just want to make use of 2 modules for this implementation so that we don't get confused. So I'm going to restrict them access to all modules and then only enable access to accounts and opportunity. So I'll go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and add the users. For the senior marketing team, we'll be making use of Sally and Chris. So I'll go ahead and select them. You can see they are there. So let's go back to the junior marketing team. Go ahead and restrict access to all modules, and then enable the modules you want to give them access to, which is accounts and opportunity. Save that. Go ahead and add the users. Here we'll be making use of Sarah and Will. So go ahead and select them. And they are added. So go back. So for the users, in order for me to log in and check if this was properly set up, I want to change their credentials. Remember, I installed this CRM with demo data, so these are demo data. I do not have access to their credentials. So in order for me to be able to log in as these individuals, I need to change their password. So go ahead and open them in new tabs so that I can do this at once. If you've not seen the video on user management, please do well to watch that video. It will help clarify any questions you might have at this point, because I'm going to be a bit fast here in order for this video not to be so long. The new password, and then confirm your password, save. Do the same thing for the others. After this is done, I want to log in as Sarah to confirm that the login was set up successfully. So I'll log in first as Chris, and then I'll log in as Sarah later on to confirm. Next to complete your setup. So because it's showing in sales, marketing, support, I want to change that by disabling the module menu filter so that I can see the specific modules. Input the new password and confirm password. Save. So now you can see the modules are showing account and opportunity. So those are the only two modules I give them access to. So here you can see Chris can write as well as read the opportunity amount. So we want to do the same thing for Sarah. Remember, it could be that you have 100 staffs in a particular department and you want to put this restriction for them. That's why it's important for you to add your users to roles. So once you add your users to roles, it's easier for you to apply this restriction to that particular role, and it will apply to all the users in that role. Confirm password. Then save. So Sarah also has access to read and to write to opportunity amounts. So let's go ahead and put that restriction in place for that specific field in the opportunity module. So here Sarah has the right to see all opportunities. Let's just add a filter to only allow her to see opportunities that are assigned to her. That's opportunities that she is the owner. Filter, so you can see how many she has here. Let's go ahead and place the read-only restriction on Sarah and then come back to see how that works. Go to admin, go all the way down to your field level access control. Click on that, select the role, for the junior marketing team, select the module. So you can see it only shows the 2 modules that we give them access to. Find opportunity amounts. So for the opportunity amount, here are all the restrictions that you can place. Not set simply means that none of these rules apply to Sarah, so she can read, she can write, she can do anything she wants. Read/write means that she can read and write to that particular module, so it's just the same thing as the not set, so she can read and she can write to it. Why read/owner write simply means that she can read but can only write when that particular opportunity is assigned to her. So when the assigned to is equal to Sarah is only when she can write to that particular module. Then read only means that she can only read what is in that field, but she cannot write to it. Then owner read/owner write means she can only read that field if it is assigned to her, and she can only write to it if it is assigned to her. So in this case, we'll just be making use of the read only. So for the read only, let's do that, select that, and then we'll go ahead to save it. Okay, so once this is saved, we want to go ahead and log in as Sarah, then check if we can write to this since we have a read-only write. So select that particular opportunity. So I want to select that. You can see that she still has access to write to that particular module. So let's find out why that is so. Let's do a quick repair and rebuild. So go to repair, quick repair and rebuild. So it's done. Return to admin page. So I want to go ahead and check that as Sarah again. I have to log out since it's hosted on the same server. Then log in. I want to go to opportunity, create opportunity. So you can see she can't write to that field, so she can only read what's in the field. If there's value there, she can read the value, but she can't write to it. So since this is a create opportunity, she can't write to it. Let's go to view opportunities. So click on view opportunity. So you can see here she can read the value of this opportunity amount, but she can't write to it. So this is how this works. But in this case, since the opportunity amount is compulsory, if you give her only read access here, she won't be able to create opportunities because of it is compulsory here for opportunity amount. If you want them to be able to create opportunity, then you have to remove this. The opportunity amount shouldn't be compulsory, so that this can allow them to create opportunity. But in situations where they are not allowed to create opportunity but they can view opportunities, then it doesn't matter. So this applies to any field or module in your SuiteCRM. Let's go ahead and try another restriction. So let's go to our admin. I have to log out as Sarah and log in as admin. Go to the admin, scroll all the way down to field level access control and select that. We're still working with the junior marketing team. Opportunity. So for the same opportunity amount, let's go ahead and give her a read owner rights. I want to save that. Okay, so once this is saved, let's go ahead and try this as Sarah. So let's go to view opportunity. So here you can see that Sarah can only still see the opportunities that are assigned to her. So now she should be able to read and write to the ones assigned to her. So you can see that opportunity amount has changed, so she can read and she can write because it is assigned to her here. You can see Sarah Smith. So let's try this for opportunities that are not assigned to Sarah. Let's clear the filter. Now you can see all the opportunities irrespective of who they are assigned to. Let's open that of Chris. You can see that Sarah can still read the opportunity amount for Chris, which shouldn't be. So there's something I want us to remember here. I want us to remember that our field level access control works together with our role management. So if you remember, in our role management, we didn't restrict Sarah from being able to edit any module. So we didn't give her restriction on being able to edit things from any module. So in order for us to understand what I'm talking about, let's go back to our role management so that we can see what I'm talking about. Go to admin, role management, junior marketing team. So for the junior management team, let's find opportunity. So you can see here the edit rights is at not set. So even if we tell Sarah she can only write to fields that belong to her, it will not take effect because here we give her a not set row. So we have to change that to owner, and then she shouldn't be able to delete any data too. So let's set that to none and this to owner, and then let's go ahead and save that. So let's just go ahead and save. Once that is saved, you can see delete is none, then edit is owner. So the rights when it is owner should work now. Let's go back to Sarah, log out, and then log back in as Sarah. And let's go to opportunity, view opportunity, select the opportunity assigned to someone else. You see that there's no edit. She won't be able to edit any opportunity that is not assigned to her. So she can only edit the ones that are assigned to her personally. She can read the opportunity amount for opportunities assigned to others, but she can't write to it because in order for her to write to it, she will have to edit it, which she doesn't have the right to do. So you can use this plugin to restrict access to fields in modules for your users. Given that SuiteCRM does not have inbuilt functionality for this, you can get this plugin to make this easy for you. So I've used this plugin over the years and it works wonders for me, and I hope it works for you too. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please do give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. and also do well to turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post new videos. Do leave a comment if you have any question on what we have done today. So if there's any parts that is confusing or you need clarification on, do leave a comment below and I'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. See you guys in my next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye.